Hello and welcome to another video from the Technology Training Team, a department of the Prince George's County Public Schools IT Division. Today we're going to show you how to create a 504 plan eligibility report. This video is part of a series for staff that has access to the 504 plan module in Synergy. To learn about creating accommodation plans, evaluation consent documents, or meeting invitations, please see the relevant video on our YouTube channel. Eligibility must be determined during the initial assessment and at the annual review. Okay, let's get started. Using the pantry, go to Synergy SE, Student, Portfolio. On the SE Portfolio page, locate the student's 504 plan. Once you've found the correct plan, click the Documents tab. Then click the Eligibility 504 Eligibility link. On the Cover tab, enter the date that the form was filled out. This is typically today. Enter the 504 Evaluation Review date. This is the date the actual evaluation was performed. In the Parent-Guardian Contact section, click Add. Select a method from the drop-down list to indicate how the parent or guardian was contacted. Click the link icon in the By column to select a staff member to indicate who contacted the parent. Enter a date to indicate when the parent was contacted. If additional contact methods were used, click Add again and repeat the above steps. Select the checkbox beside each item in the Evaluation Information section used for the evaluation. If a specific item is not listed, select Other and type a description in the text box. Click Save. Now on to the Eligibility Analysis. Click the Eligibility Analysis tab. Select an answer to the question, does the student have a mental or physical impairment? Enter information in the Supporting Evaluation Information text box. Click Save. If you indicated yes to the above question, additional questions appear. If the student has a previous eligibility document, click the Copy from Previous Eligibility Document button to fill in that information automatically. Note that you still need to review that information to verify it is accurate and up to date. If the student doesn't have a previous eligibility document, enter the information now. Click Add to indicate an impairment to the analysis. Click the triangle in the line column to expand the impairment list. Select a provider from the drop-down list. Select the checkbox for relevant impairments. All impairments are associated with an official impairment code. There is no other option in this instance. Enter a date the provider evaluated the impairment. Scroll down and answer the remaining questions. Once all questions have been answered on the page, click Save. Next is the Eligibility Determination. Click the Eligibility Determination tab. Select the Eligibility Decision from the drop-down list. Enter the rationale for the team's decision in the text box. Include any additional information in the Notes text box. Scroll down to the Participants section. Select the Student checkbox to include the student as a participant. Select the checkbox beside any parent who is a participant. Click the Signature Action icon to request an electronic signature from that participant. To remove a staff member, select the checkbox in the X column. To add an additional participant who is not a staff member, the student, or a parent with educational rights, click the Add button in the Other Participants section. You cannot request an electronic signature from parents in this section. When finished, click Save. Lastly, we need to finalize the eligibility document. Click Validate to check for errors in the document. Click Finalize to complete the document and notify participants. A PDF file is generated that can be downloaded and printed. And that's how to create an eligibility report. For more 504 Plan or other Synergy video tutorials, check out our YouTube channel. This has been another production from the Technology Training Team. Thanks for watching.